All right, so as part of Hover's 10 years in the industry, we're just asking people around the industry, what is something that you're proud of accomplishing in the last 10 years?
Growing an organisation in a remote area in a field that doesn't exist or didn't exist at the time with a technology that wasn't proven, and inspiring people to move to a remote area in Tasmania to come and grow the dream and do what we're doing. That's for me. Specifically, I guess on a whole, I'm really proud of how the industry has just progressed at a really stellar pace. I remember using ag drones back in 2020, just before the T40 iterations kind of came out, and just the battery technology, the flight controller, everything's so powerful and user friendly now. So overall, it's been cool super grateful to see how hard it was and how much you had to customize stuff back 8 years ago when I started to now it's kind of progressing the industry at a really rapid pace. How user friendly it is.
Awesome. And thinking of the next 10 years, what's something that you think is going to be really important coming up?
I think the real big things are still kind of there and still very present, which is the UTM development, human air mobility. I think that's still really close to coming through. I've been saying that for a long time though. Swarming, AI integration into large swarms, AI integration into basically everything that we're doing. Deliveries, I'm still really passionate about the delivery side of things. It's very sad what happened with Swoop, and hopefully the new development picks up. And then for me and my entities, we're developing, the large aircraft, heavy payload spaces where we're going. So being able to really have a big impact over the next decade in the energy sector, in the mining sector, in government and defence. And I think it still feels like every year that goes by, you feel like there's a lot happening in the space, but it still feels like it's early at the same time. I don't really know how to explain it. I'm really excited for the next 2 years.